And when I learned about shea butter, I obviously had to try it. And I didn't like using shea butter on my face. It caused a bit of a breakout for me. But then I got the idea to mix it with my favorite skin oils. And I will put a link into that video. So I mixed it 50-50% and then I just loved it. It's super easy to make. Unrefined shea butter, well known for its amazing properties. It's quite solid. It smells quite nice, and some people just use it like that and they will melt it between the hands. The heat will soften it. I'm just going to scoop in some of this shea butter. I just make a rough estimate of about 50%. This is not a science. You can adapt the recipe as you like it. That roughly looks like 50% if it's melted. I'm going to close it. I've put a little bit of cold water in this Pyrex container. I don't just want to use boiled water because it's going to be too warm and then it can also damage the natural ingredients. So then I'm just going to let it melt. I'm just going to add a bit more. So that's still below the lid, and I'm going to leave it till it's melted. What I found what works well is that when I'm taking a bath or something, I'll just put some of it in a jar, close it and let it drift in the bath, and by the time that I'm finished, it's melted. So this is now ready for the next step. It's nice and melted. Now I'm just going to fill it up with my body oil to almost full. And I'm just going to give it a mix. Then I'm just going to let it sit overnight to set, and tomorrow it will be ready to use. If you want to save time, you can just put it in the fridge to set. Oil have set, and you can see it's nice and firm and it's ready to be used. Wow, amazing. The essential oils that you add will affect your smell. I've got some lavender in here, mint, frankincense and myrrh. That will also help with little spots and things on your hands. Amazing, this really feels like a treat. If you want to make this more simple, you can just add olive oil to the mixture instead of my recipe, and you just can add whichever essential oils you love. Mixing it with my own oil just makes application so much easier, and it's also now fine for me to use on my facial area. So I'm just putting it on my hands, just spreading it like I would do a normal moisturizer. I also always do my neck area, front and back. I also do my ears inside out. We don't want little creases over here. And it smells amazing. I love to use it on my hands and on my feet, and especially on my legs. It really feels like a spa treatment. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did so, remember to hit the like button. Remember to subscribe if you want to stay tuned to the videos that I make. And remember, take care of your health. It's precious.